Our commitment to social justice is part of who we are. Social justice, Eastern Bank. It's a nice fit. A lot has changed since those early days, but our devotion to our friends and neighbors has never wavered. As we've grown, our mission has expanded and evolved, allowing us to serve so many more across our home state. We were established as a mutual bank to meet the needs of the people of modest means, those who didn't have access to the banking system. It was, and still is, a value we strongly embrace. This allows us the opportunity to advocate for those in need, with the understanding that needs come in many shapes and sizes. We do this by moving beyond the status quo and inspiring change to the health of our community. Through advocacy, collaboration, and passion, we work for the equality and dignity of all. Eastern Bank has donated more than $50 million in the last decade, providing support to over 1,000 organizations each year, helping people in 150 cities and towns, and providing services for thousands of people. Measuring donations is simple, but it doesn't tell the whole story. We've provided more than $100 million in loans to area nonprofits, enabling them to grow and better serve their communities.
Eastern Bank has been one of our most committed corporate partners. Several of their employees have served on our board of directors, actively helping develop the strategy for the organization, implementing that strategy. And so it's a people's resource, not just a financial resource, that makes the partnership so strong.
Eastern Bank also encourages all employees to get involved in their community. They'll log more than 19,000 hours this year, spending their weekdays and weekends volunteering their time at organizations that make a difference.
Eastern Bank volunteers aren't afraid to roll up their sleeves and dive into projects here at Cradles to Crayons. We've had groups from different branches and different departments from the bank here sorting clothes, making outfits, shopping for wish lists. There's nothing that's too big or too small for an Eastern Bank volunteer to do.
We value our volunteers and appreciate that they stand as an essential piece of the care we provide to achieve a healthy, whole society. Our commitment is to promote respect, dignity, and inclusion for all people by steadily increasing the representation from all communities within our workforce.
We're a unique and diverse group of people. It's an incredible organization, and I'm very proud to work here. I've also been a victim of prejudice and racism, so it's amazing and it feels wonderful. I can't think of anything better that I'd like to do today.
Eastern Bank, collaborating with energetic organizations that dedicate themselves to their causes, working passionately to foster progress, advance equality, and empower individuals, advocating for our communities, especially for those whose voices are often unheard. At Eastern Bank, we are driven to action by a spirit of endless optimism and a vision of true solidarity. As we join together to acknowledge the benefits of safe, effective community health, we recognize it is but one piece in the holistic approach to build a more just and prosperous world for us all.